Hello everyone. So here we are going to discuss how to simplify trigonometry questions. And first of all, we have to name the sides. Opposite to 90 degree, it's hypotenuse, and we are marking h there. And opposite to the given angle, that is opposite. And the last one is that's adjacent. Okay, done. So here also the same thing, opposite to 90 degree, hypotenuse, and opposite to the given angle, opposite. And the last one is adjacent. And here also is the same. The hypotenuse opposite to the 90 degree and opposite to the given angle is opposite, and the last one is adjacent. Always you have to name the sides first. And now we can move. Now this time we don't have to consider this A, adjacent is not there. So O and H. O and H means that is sine. So sine is equals, we'll use a black then. Sine is equals O over H. Sine is equals O over H. So here the O, and for the denominator we have to use the H. Fine. And sine angle, it's better to mention that here, 52 and 34. 52, 34. It's difficult to mark the degree here. I'm using this symbol as the angle. No need. That's okay, fine. Just let it be, and we'll continue. Right. So opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is x. We'll mark that one down. Equal. We are continuing x over, and the hypotenuse is 4. So it's x over 4. That's it. So now we have to find the sine 52, 34. So how to calculate that sine 52, 34? That's very easy. You all can see in the left-hand side, we are having a chart with us. And the sine table. Here, the sine table and 52, 34. So how to find out that 52, 34? So here in sine table, 52, 34. 52, you all can see the 52 here. So 52 and then 34. 52, 30 odds and 4. 34. Like this only we have to join 52, 34. Right, so 52 and 30. What's the number you can see in here? That's 0.7934. For that one, now we have to add how much? 7. And we'll add these two. 7934 plus 7. What's the answer? 7941. That's it. So 0.7941. 0.7941. 0.7941. Okay, done. And that's equals to x over 4. X over 4, and now this division 4 we can directly take that to the other side, and there will be multiplication just to subject that x. So I'm sending that division 4 to the other side and multiply, so it will be like 0.7941 into 4, and that's equals to x. That's it. So if you multiply, we are getting the answer 0.7941 into 4, 3.1764. That's 3.1764 is equals to x. That's it. So similarly, now we can find the next one. So here this time we have to ignore h. Ignore h means right now. So now the sine is over. Sine means O over h. Now O over a. O and a. O and a means t, tan. So we'll go with the tan ratio. Tan 32, 24 this time. 32, 24. It's difficult for me to mark the angle, the degree. So just let it be. It's 32 degree, 24 minutes. And that's equals to tan means O over A. That's O and down A. O over A. And how much is that O? O is X this time, and the A is 5 centimeter. And again, this one is very easy for us to simplify. We have to find this tan value. The tan 32, 24. Okay, we'll try to find them. Tan 32, 24. Here, the tan 32. Okay, hope you all can see this tan 32 and then 24. We'll join them all. Right, so tan 32, 24. So tan 32 and 20 means it's 63, 30. And 4, under 4 you can find in mean difference 16. So we'll join them both. So 63, 30 plus 16, then the answer is 63, 46. And we'll mark that one here. 63, 46. 0.6346. And that's equals to x over 5. Okay, done. So now this division 5 is on the other side, there will be multiplication 5. So here it's 0.6346 and into 5. That's it, equals x. And now if you multiply, we're getting the result as 6346 into 5. 3.173. So here the x value. That's it. And now the last. So now this time, now you all saw that sine is O over H, tan is O over A, and the last one is cos. So we'll check whether it's cos or not. A and H only we have to join. We don't have to consider anything about this opposite side. So it's cos. Cos and the angle 72, 42. 72 degree, 42. 42 minutes. I left a small space for this degree, right? So 72 degree and 42. And that's equals A over H. A over H. Fine. And now we'll mark them down. Cos 72, 42. So how to find out that cos 72, 42? It's like this. Cos 72, 42. For the cos, again, we have to go to the sine table only. So cosines, right now you can see it's starting from here, from the bottom of sine. Right now here the cosines. So cosine 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and 29. And now we have to find out 72. So where is that 72? And the 72 is here. Right now cosine 72 is here, right? 72 and 0. 72, 42. So 72, first of all, we'll highlight this part. 72, and then 40 odds is here. 72, 40, and 72, 42. 2 is here. Now for cosines, what we have to do is we should not add, we should subtract the numbers. Now 72, 40 is 29, 79. That is 29, 79. And now we have to subtract how much there? 6. So from 29, 79, we have to subtract 6. Then the answer is 29, 73. And we'll mark that down. 29, 73. That's also 0 0.2973. And the A is X, and the bottom one, hypotenuse is 6. Okay, so now the division 6, if you send the other side, that will be multiplication 6. And we'll multiply them both, then we are getting the result as 1.7838. Done, and that's it. Okay, guys, so now we are going to calculate this x, the unknown. The unknown is at the denominator this time. So how to simplify these types of questions? We'll check down. And it's O and H. O and H means again it's sine 52, 34 we have already marked, and opposite is 4 and the hypotenuse is x. So we place them, right? And now we'll try to find out the sine 52, 34. And where is that? Sine 52, 32. 34, sine 52, 34. Okay, sine 52, you all can see that sine 52 is here, and 30, 30 and 4. Right, so what's the answer there? 80, 39, sorry, 79, 34. For that 79, 34, now we have to add 7, then 79, 41. Right, and now what we have to do? We should switch the places to obtain this answer. And here it's like this, x is equals 4 over 0.7941. That's it. Now to simplify this, we have to take logarithm. So log x is equals log 4 minus log 0.7941. And here the logarithm. The whole digit, we are having only one whole digit 4. So we should subtract that by 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And here it's 0 point. 0 point means we should place a bar there, 1 bar. Same the logarithm rule. Okay, and now we'll try to find out the log 4. So the log 4. So log 4 means you all can see it's 60, 21. That's very easy to find out here. Log 4. Yes, 60, 21. So we'll place that one here. 60, 21. And log 79. Now the next one, 79, 41. That's a little bit tricky, but easy to find. 79, 41. 79 is here. 79 and 40, 1. That means 8998. We should add 1 for that. So 8999. Now we'll go to subtract them. So it's better to borrow plus 1 and minus 1 because you all can see that it's starting from 0. Okay, done. The bar 1 is there. 1 minus 9. We can't subtract, so we should borrow. So 11 minus 9 is 2. And again, 11 minus 9 is 2. And it's 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. That's it. So 6 is there. And already we have given 1. So it's 5. So 5, we can't subtract that by 8. So we should borrow 1. So it's 15 minus 8. The answer is 7. And now 0, it's pointless of using that. 1 also pointless. So minus into minus, there is plus 1. You all can see here. Minus into minus, there is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 is 0. And now we'll try to find out the antilog. How to find the antilog now? 7022. Where is that? 7022. Should move up. 7022 is not available, but you all can see that 7016 is available. 7016 is available. So 7016 and another 6 required right now. So 7016 plus 6 only 7022. Okay, done. So 7016 means the raw number. You all can see that 50, and after that 53, 7. So we marked. That's it. And it's 0 means we have to place only one whole digit. So the answer is 5.037.